the Conquer Anything workout because it's going to work your power and your endurance. It's high intensity interval training and it's going to kick your butt so you can kick more butt after you're done. All right, let's get straight to it. You just need a timer and you need to set it for 45 seconds of work and 15 seconds of rest. Don't forget to warm up before you start. All right, here we go. Oh my God. All right, here we go, round two. Yes. Woo! Starting out, try this HIIT workout just one time through, but if you're a little bit more advanced, I want you to do this workout and repeat it 3 times. So let's get started. For your first move, let's do 30 seconds of jumping jacks. All right, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a quick 10 seconds to rest, and then we'll jump into our next HIIT training move. Your second move is a squat with an alternating kick. At the top of your squat, I want you to kick with your right leg, and then as you squat down next, you're going to shift to the left. We're going to be alternating legs after each squat. Abs are tight and knees are in line with ankles as you squat down. Final 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, take a 10-second break and then let's hit it. Come on down to the mat for our third move. We're doing bicycle crunches. Let's touch your elbow to your knee. And we're not pulling from our elbow, we're more pulling from our chest forward. You want to really feel that crunch in the abdominals, in the sides of your abs, especially in your obliques. And when you're doing these right, you'll feel it. These are your last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, take those 10 seconds, catch your breath, relax, and get ready for our next move. For your third move, come on down to your mat into plank position. We're going to do a traveling push-up. Beginning in push-up position, take your left arm out to the left side, do a push-up, come back to the center, then go out to your right side, do a push-up, and come back to center. This is a super challenging move, so if you're new to working out, you can hang out here in plank position and just tap your feet right and left so you're moving the whole time. If you want to modify this and make it a moderate exercise, you can come down to your knees and do a push-up from knee position. Take 10 seconds here to rest and catch your breath. Our next move is 30 seconds of butt kickers. Keep your arms forward and kick your feet back as high as you can. And on these, you want to actually try and aim to kick yourself right in the butt. Seconds to go here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a couple seconds to rest and then we're on to our next move. Okay, we're going to finish it out with a quick burst of high knees. These are your last 10 seconds. Let's finish it strong. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job, and I hope you loved that workout. You can pair this with any of the other fitness videos from the spring.
All right, here we go. We're starting with half squats in 3, 2, 1, and go. So from the side, okay, just half squatting down, pushing into those heels. Really, as you push into your heels, you bring your arms forward, get a little ab work in. You want to make sure though, heels, all about the heels. If you lean too far forward, your knees are going to start to hurt. Try to go down a little bit lower each time, but stay halfway if it's uncomfortable for you. Big breath. Really working everything here as you push your arms back. And tiny arm circles forward, going 15 seconds forward, 15 back. Squeeze those shoulder blades together, chest up and back, core nice and tight. Good. And backwards. 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Breathe here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and boxer bounce. So remember, if this is uncomfortable for you, just go knees up, okay? Knees up. But if not, try to split it half and half. Just want you to push a little bit harder each time. Big breath. Nice work. Keep it going. Keep your core tight as you do this or as you're doing this. Good. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now we're going reverse lunge. 15 seconds. Half lunge if you can. Okay? So just down. Press really up and down. Okay? Not forward and back. Good. Big breath here. If you can only go halfway, you can only go halfway. Big breath. One more here. And switch sides. Big step. And down. Good. See how my front knee always stays right over my ankle. 5 seconds. All right, hip opens. Big hip opens. Legs might be a little tired. It's okay. Up and through. Core tight. Always core work with me. Good. Up and tight. Big breath. Nice. seconds, warrior 2, 10 seconds with that reach, and then 10 seconds with that back hold. Okay, sorry, back bend. Ready? Get into position, left leg forward, okay, bent, and holding. Okay, you can look over that left arm, big breath in, and reach forward, elbow on the knee, good, opening up that chest, big breath here, and then back, holding that nice and open, great job. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, and then just switch legs. Okay, so now you're forward here, looking over for 10 seconds. Notice how that front knee is nice and bent, back leg nice and straight. Good, and forward and reach, hold, big breath, open up that chest. Last 10 seconds here, and backwards. 10, 9, feel that stretch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice work.